The criminal case against a former Arvin High School teacher accused of having sex with a minor could be in serious jeopardy. I'm Priscilla Lara, your neighborhood reporter. 23 ABC has learned that the victim in this case is refusing to testify. On Wednesday, Michael Parra had a motions hearing. He is charged with 7 felony counts of having sex with a minor at Arvin High School. Although Parra was not in court, his attorney, Jared Thompson, and prosecutor David Eller from the district attorney's office agreed to move forward with the readiness trial.
We have a joint request to continue this to the readiness date.
23 ABC has learned about a letter from the victim to the DA's office. In that letter, she states part, "I am letting you know that I will not testify." The victim goes on to say, "I will suffer for a lifetime if I have to go to court to testify against and convict this man who I wholly believe would not have done these actions unless I asked him and gave him permission to do so." End quote. Regardless of whether the victim consented to engage in sexual activity with Parra, Lauren Skidmore from the Open Door Network explains that it's common for victims of sexual assault, including cases involving minors, to experience feelings of guilt related to the situation.
There's concern around retaliation, there's embarrassment, guilt, a whole host of emotions that arise. And so the court proceedings are really difficult for victims to engage with. We see it all the time, no matter the depth and scenario of their situation.
The victim also made reference to feeling pressure from her mother to testify because she wrote her mother is planning on suing the Kern High School district over this situation. With this type of behavior being common, attorney Juan Garza with Cohn Clark says that the case isn't necessarily in jeopardy.
And the case can still move forward and likely will move forward even without her testimony. And that's because she's already given statements to police officers. And then if she refuses to testify, then they can get those statements into the record, and then the jury can use those when they're deciding innocence and guilt.
Parra is scheduled to reappear in court on August 19th for a readiness trial. For 23 ABC, I'm Priscilla Lara, your neighborhood reporter.